Hi guys, I wanted to give you a really quick review on this Real Techniques brush cleansing balm. Now, I wash my brushes all the time. I find that they're one of the best ways for my skin to not break out. And honestly, my favorite is the e.l.f. soap bar thingy. I think I posted a review on it somewhere. If I did, I'll put a link here. For some reason, it's just out of stock everywhere. It's out of stock on the e.l.f. website, out of stock on the Target site. I just can't seem to find it. So I had to find a replacement. Now I went and decided to get fancy. Instead of just going to the dollar store and getting a bar soap, which is honestly pretty good, I was like, you know what? Let me give like another brand a try. And this is Real Techniques. Half of my makeup collection is Real Techniques. So I was like, hey, let's give this a try. So this is what it looks like. It smells lightly of like coconut, like real coconut though, like the coconut meat. That's what it smells like. So it smells heavenly. Now, I have to just be flat out honest. I am really not a fan of this. It does not clean my brushes very well. It takes a lot of product and a lot of work to get the product off of the brushes, which I never had a problem with e.l.f. and I never had a problem with basically anything else I've used. But the number one downside to this is that it leaves a film on my brushes. Doesn't matter how well I wash the brushes, they are stiff as heck. Like especially the eyeshadow brushes, like I have to really bend them again to get them to be fluffy and to get them to be like workable. It's just not, no, just no. I'm so disappointed because I love almost everything by this brand, but this was just an absolute fail for me. The only win is this little like brush grippy thing that now has a hair on it, of course, that you can use for your brushes. But this, no, just don't waste your money. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.